Hello students, welcome back. See, we are here again with the next lesson of your English LIT. This lesson is different from the previous one that we have already studied. Okay, this lesson is a moral lesson. Here we will learn about the game called life. See students, like life always keeps on going. It teaches you lesson, and each lesson brings a stronger version of you from inside. The lessons which come to your life, they come with a challenge. They come with a challenge to challenge you. But if you are strong, determined out here, no one can touch you. Anyone can twist you, mold you, rotate you. Anything can be done to you, but no one can break you if you are confident here. So this lesson is all about moral lesson. It shows that why to bring an inner self, why to rebuild an inner self is very much necessary for yourself. You have to have a very keen and a determined, strong inner self. Only then no one can shatter you from outside. You'll have a good command over yourself. So this, a beautiful poem, If, by Rudyard Kipling, and Rudyard Kipling needs no kind of explanation or any kind of introduction. He is a tremendous poet, not only a poet, a writer, a novelist as well. So now let's go through the text of the poem. Now before starting, you have seen that there is a box out here, and what does this table show? This table shows that each profession wants you any kind of a thing. Like, what is the main thing that a teacher should have? Teacher should have intelligence. Okay, a teacher cannot be a fool. A teacher must have intelligence. Okay, he must be sharp and a good command over his subject. Next, what is a doctor must have? A doctor should be very much calm. He must be patient, not that patient. Patient means calm, sthir. Okay. Next is athlete, sportsman. Sportsman को क्या होना है? He must have a fitness. Okay. Similarly, firefighter. Who is a firefighter? You know, जो firefighters आपने देखा है ना, firefighters जो होते हैं, जो red color के trucks में fire जब लगता है, they go over there. So what should they have? They must be very much brave. डरपोक नहीं होना है. तब वो कहीं पे भी कोई बिल्डिंग में आग लग गया, so they cannot go inside if they are very much timid. So they have to be very much brave. So bravery is their knowledge. Similarly, musician, music directors जो होते हैं ना, what should be? They should be very much creative. Understood? Next is bus driver. Bus driver, what should he have? He must have a keen eyesight. He must have to see a small things which is there in the road very nicely. Only then he can smoothly pass his bus. Okay. Next is accountant. What should an accountant have? Accountant means business keeper. जो business का records रखते हैं, उनके पास क्या होना है? He must be very much trustworthy. Trust करने लायक होना है. He should not be धोखेबाज. Understood? So accountant should be trustworthy. Similarly, what should be a chef? Chef जो खाना बनाते हैं, what should be? He should be very much organized. सारे सामान को अच्छे से organize करके, he must be do like that. So he must be organized. Okay. Next is, the poem starts out here. So what does the poem say? The poem says, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Now let's do line by two lines each, then it will be understandable to you. See, if you can keep your head when all about you and losing theirs and blaming it on you. That means when the entire world is blaming on you, but you know that you are clean from inside. You don't have to prove yourself, you get yourself proved with time. That is very much to be known. Understood? When you know that you are clean from inside, आप अंदर से साफ है, भले पूरा दुनिया आपको उंगली उठा करके बोले that you are the culprit, but if you know from inside that you are clean here, no one can touch you over there. Understood? You will get proved with time. So let the entire world blame you. You do your work with calmness, keep your head held high, and no one can touch you. Understood? So this is the lesson of 2 lines that you understood here. So if you can keep your head when all about you or are losing theirs and blaming it on you. Understood? Who keeps on continuously complaining and blaming about others? Who is not contented within himself. That person always keeps on pointing fingers on others that he has a mistake. But who knows his self-worth? He will never go on complaining and criticizing others. He will see everything, look everything and avoid. So this is the nature you must always develop within yourself. Don't criticize, don't blame. See it and let it go. Time will prove them, time will prove you. So this is must be understood very nicely. So coming to the 3rd line, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you. If you trust yourself, let the entire world doubt you, you know. Listen one thing, if the entire world loves you and you don't love your from inside, if the entire world loves you but you don't love yourself from inside, you keep on criticizing yourself from inside, you'll never be happy. Just the opposite. Let you be happy and the entire world blame you. You are happy from inside and the entire world is blaming you. No one can touch your happiness. You'll again be happy. So this is the 2-1 formula that you have to understand. So everything is controllable by yourself. That's the poet is saying. So now, but you make allowance for their doubting too. Okay, you can allow their doubting too, but you know what you are. Let them doubt, you can carry on your work. So this is what the poem wants you to do. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting or be lied about, don't deal in lies. So if you can wait for the life and you are not tired of waiting, then good things will keep on coming on your way and you will not have any kind of obstruction in that. So you have to keep on for your waiting for your good time. अरे मेरा तो टाइम ही खराब चलता है, मेरे साथ तो ऐसा ही होता है, ये तो मेरा किस्मत ही है. If you have this kind of nature, no, you'll never be happy. You have to be contented. What is there inside the holy books also? It has been written in the Bible also and even in the Gita and in the Quran. That whatever is going on is going good. Whatever happened that was good and whatever is forthcoming that is much better than that because that is bringing a present for you. Clear? So whatever happened that was good, it had happened for a reason. What is going on that is also very good and what will come वो तो और भी अच्छा है because वो तो gift होगा आपके लिए. So जो भी है just accept करो, accept का nature रखना है. So you can wait and if you are not tired of waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Okay, and when you are lied about, जब कोई आपको झूठ बोलता है, okay, and you don't deal in lies, आप उस झूठ को अपने ऊपर लेते नहीं है, you don't take that lie on you, or being hated, don't give way to hating. You are hated, but you don't hate anyone. कोई आपको hate कर सकता है, ये उनकी nature है. Anyone can hate you, that is their nature. But make sure that you should not hate anyone. You should love everyone because what you give comes back to you. Okay, next line. And yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. Okay, maybe you are hated. Understood? आप कोई आपको hate कर सकता है, but make sure कि आप किसी को hate ना करें. You should not hate anyone, and then you have to see that good will automatically come to you. And yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. You should not talk too good and you should not talk too wise. Understood? You have to say normal. You have to love yourself and love comes back to you. Okay? Next, children, go through the lines. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim. See how the beautiful 2 lines are. If you dream and not make dreams your master. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं ना जो सोचते रहते हैं और सोच में ही वो डॉक्टर बन जाते हैं. सो वो पीपल कभी भी लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाते क्योंकि वो सोचते तो बहुत हैं बट अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. नाउ दैट शुड नॉट बी योर थिंग क्योंकि वो ड्रीम्स को बहुत ज्यादा महत्व दे देते हैं, काम को नहीं. अंडरस्टूड? तो आपको ये हैबिट नहीं डेवलप करना है. अंडरस्टूड? व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज दैट यू शुड ड्रीम. दैट इज गुड बिकॉज यू कैन सी योर फ्यूचर इन दैट. यू मस्ट ड्रीम. मेरा भी एक ड्रीम है, आपका भी कुछ ड्रीम होगा लाइफ में करने का, है ना? सो ड्रीम तो रखना चाहिए. वी शुड हैव ड्रीम्स बट वी शुड नॉट गिव द ड्रीम सो मच इंपॉर्टेंस एंड मेक इट अ मास्टर. Understood? So you must have dream but not make it a master. Clear? First point. Next line. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim, aim means आपका मेन फोकस जो लाइफ का है मुद्दा, ठीक है. सो इफ यू कैन एम बट इफ यू कैन थिंक दैट इज गुड, यू शुड थिंक, ठीक है. गॉड हैज गिफ्टेड अस विद द ब्रेन, सो यू मस्ट थिंक विद इट, बट मेक श्योर दैट द थॉट्स व्हिच आर जनरेटेड इन योर माइंड should not control you. You have to control your thoughts. Your thoughts should not control you, and they should not be your aim. Clear? वो आपके मेन मकसद नहीं होना थॉट्स तो अच्छे क्रिएट करें, और आपको डिसाइड करना है कितने थॉट्स आप क्या क्रिएट करेंगे, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3, इफ यू कैन मीट विद ट्रियम्फ एंड डिजास्टर. ट्रियम्फ मीन्स सक्सेस, डिजास्टर मीन्स फेलियर. Understood? When you are disaster, बर्बादी. Understood? So if you can meet, if you are prepared, जो बंदा स्टेबल होगा ना खुद के अंदर से, उसे अच्छाई में भी और बुराई में भी वो बैलेंस्ड रहेगा. अच्छाई में अगर आप बहुत ऊंचे नहीं चले जाते हैं तो बुराई जब आपके साथ होगा तब आप उतने ऊंचे से गिरेंगे नहीं. बट जो बंदा बैलेंस्ड रहता है ना, जो अच्छाई भी उसके साथ होगा फिर भी वो बैलेंस्ड है, और अगर बुराई भी उसके साथ हो रहा है फिर भी वो बैलेंस्ड है, then he will not be any kind of a problem man. Understood? He will be balanced within himself. So what I was saying was that if anything good happens to you, you should not get overexcited, because when a bad thing will happen to you, you have to fall from there. So if any good happens to you or if any bad happens to you, you have to keep yourself balanced. जब बहुत खुशी आपको मिल रहा है, आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि हाँ मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाऊंगा, नहीं, बैलेंस्ड होना है. खुशी आता है जाता है, दुख आता है जाता है, बट खुद को बैलेंस्ड रखना है. हैप्पीनेस कम्स एंड passes away. It is not for lifelong. Okay, something which is happening good may not happen good always, and something which is happening bad may not be bad always. It comes and passes away, but you have to decide what you will do. You have to keep your inner state in a balanced way. Only then you will have a balanced life. But if you are turbulent outside, you will have a turbulent mind and your world will be turbulent for you. So that you have to understand. Next, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those with two impostors just the same. Two impostors. Impostors means those who cheat. Understood? Two impostors. Triumph, that is your happiness, success, khushi, jeet. Understood? That is triumph. Triumph is also an imposter. ट्रियम्फ इज ऑल्सो इम्पोस्टर. ट्रियम्फ भी एक चीटर है. खुशी हर समय आपको साथ नहीं रहती है. कोई चीज आपको खुशी दे रही है, वो हर समय आपके साथ नहीं रहेगा, वो कभी ना कभी तो आपसे दूर जाएगा. दैट इज अ चीटर, दैट इज अ इम्पोस्टर. सो ट्रियम्फ इज अ इम्पोस्टर. डिजास्टर, बर्बादी आपके लाइफ में हो जाता है. इसका मतलब क्या? रोज बर्बादी होगा आपके साथ. एवरी टाइम विल फेस डिजास्टर? नो, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ चीटर. वो भी एक इम्पोस्टर है. So both the imposter, that is triumph and disaster, दोनों चीटर कभी ना कभी तो चले जाएंगे. कब? जब आप बैलेंस्ड रहेंगे. So last line, and treat those imposters just the same. If you are balanced inside, you can treat both the cheaters in a balanced way, in a perfect way. Understood? Next, page number 63. अच्छा है ना? So this is all life lesson. That's only I was telling you that this is a beautiful chapter. अब बहुत सारे जीवन जीने के तरीके को आप जान पाएंगे इस चैप्टर से. You'll understand it. Next, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn out tools. So nicely it is told. See, it is told that if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, if you have spoken a truth, okay, you have to have the ability to hear it when it is told to you. Understood? जब आप किसी को सच बोलते हैं, understood? Suppose your friend has a habit कि वो बात को बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलता है, and you go to him and you say it on him for his good, that you should not have a habit of exaggerating the things and saying to. I used a new word, exaggerating. What does it mean? Exaggeration. Exaggeration means to stretch anything way beyond and say. To stretch and say. Stretch and explain it and say. बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलना, that is exaggeration. ठीक है? So exaggerate. So you go to your friend and you say that you have a habit of exaggeration. You must not have that. You are telling truth. Understood? So that is truth which you have said to him. But if someone comes and says your truth about yourself, you don't like that. Do you have that habit? You should not have the habit of that. If you are saying the truth to someone and if you want that person to hear you, then you must also have a habit to listen and bear the truth if someone comes and says you the truth. That is perfect. Next. Or watch the things you gave to your life to broken and stoop and build. So you have given any good thing to your life. If anything good happened to you and that is broken, that means that has been shattered, वो बर्बाद हो गया है. So what you should do? बैठ के रोते रहे, खराब हो गया, मैंने तो इतना अच्छा अपना लाइफ को बनाया था, बीच में आके खराब हो गया. So what you have to do? बाकी का टाइम भी उसको देख के खराब कर देना है? नहीं, you should not do that. What you have to do is that you must again, with the life skills that you have learned in your life, you must again try to build your life the way you want them, so that your future must also be more better than that. Understood? So you should stoop means झुको, and build them up. उनको फिर से उन टुकड़ों को जोड़ दो जो बिखर गया है, with worn out tools. Worn out means old tools. जो आपके worn out tools, that means your old skills that you have, आपके कला जो आपके अंदर है उसको बाहर निकालें, अपने लाइफ को फिर से संवार लें और अपना फ्यूचर उससे भी अच्छा बनाएं. That is you have to understand. Clear? Next paragraph. If you can make one heap means एक what you say, big of something, collection of something. Heap जिसे कहते हैं क्या, ढेर जिसे कहते हैं हिंदी में ना, a heap of sand जिसे कहते हैं. So if you can have a heap of all your winnings, understood, and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss and lose and start again at your beginnings and never breathe a word about your loss. Okay, so if you have a heap of winnings, आपके जीवन के अच्छे अच्छे चीजों का एक पूरा ढेर आपके पास है, and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss, and suddenly anything happens, और आपके हाथ से सब वो चीज जो आपने हासिल किया था वो सब छूट जाता है, and if you lose all those things from your hand, if anything might have happened to you, then what you should do, and start again at your beginnings and never breathe a word at your loss. So कोई चीज अगर आपके हाथ से छूट गया जो आपने लाइफ लॉन्ग उस चीज को बचाया है, सपोज आपने पैसा बहुत जमाया है और आपके घर में आपने बहुत मेहनत किया, you have worked very hard and you have saved a lot of money, okay, and after saving a lot of money you bought a laptop for yourself on your birthday, okay. So what happens, one fine day a thief enters your home and he steals out your laptop. What you will do? You should sit and cry, isn't it so? ना, दरवाज़ा बंद करके 7 दिन तक रोते रहेंगे, खाना नहीं खाएंगे, घर सर पे उठा देंगे ना, ये करेंगे. You should do that? No. What you should do? You should not look back. Maybe वो कुछ हुआ होगा, शायद से वो जो हुआ है वो आपके साथ हुआ है क्योंकि शायद से पास्ट बर्थ में कभी भी आपने किसी का कोई सामान जाने अनजाने में कोई चीज़ को खराब किया होगा. सो वो चोर ने आपको लेके गया तो इसका मतलब क्या, वो आपके क्या सब स्किल्स को लेकर के चला गया? नहीं, he had just taken those things that you had accumulated. So what you should do, you should not sit back and waste your entire 20 years of your life sitting and crying for that laptop, but rather you should be strong, determined and keep on working more harder, so that you cannot buy one laptop but you are so working hard that you can buy 10 laptops in your future. You should be that much capable from inside कि तुम तो एक चुरा के लेके अब हम 10 लैपटॉप खरीदेंगे. Understood? So you should, ये कब होगा? When you will work hard, and when you will work hard, when you will study hard, work hard, earn money, and then you will be like that. So that you have to understand. So you should never breathe a word on your loss. सांस सांस में, in your each breath, you should never have a feeling of loss inside you. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve. Sinew means when two bones are joined, no, there is a mixture of something inside that is known as sinew. Understood? जो दो bones को join करता है, that is known as sinew. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. When everything is gone from your life, but you still have that inner self inside you that no, I can do it anyhow. When your heart says you, and even heart, your each bone, and inside the bone, the sinew which is there, the liquid in your bones, from every heart and mind you are saying that no, I'll do it, then nobody can hold on from you. You will get it by yourself. And this is the law of nature. What you wish for, what you want in your life to become, it has to happen in your life. Understood? But you have to work in that direction. Next, last paragraph. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch. So good. If you are walking with crowds, understood? Crowds means person, those who are of poor origin, might be, जो आपसे बहुत नीचे हैं, ठीक है, जब उनके साथ बात कर रहे हैं, when you are not forgetting your virtues, कि आपके गुण, virtues, the good, that the skills that you're having inside, you are not forgetting when you're walking with a low level person. And when you're walking with a king, you are not forgetting that you are a common person. समझ में आया कि गरीब के साथ स्टेबल रहना, और किंग जब आप हो जाते तभी भी कॉमन मैन जैसा बिहेव करना, जिसमें ये फीलिंग होगा, वही लाइफ में आगे बढ़ सकता है. ही कैन ओनली सक्सीड इन हिज लाइफ. So, in neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you. So, neither foe means who is not your friend, enemy might be. So, who is not your foe, not your friends can hurt you. When आपके अंदर में ये balance वाला situation आ जाएगा, then neither your foe nor your friend they can hurt you. Understood? If all men count with you but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run. Yours is the earth and everything is that's in it, and which is more, you'll be a man, my son. So when it is said that if you have an unforgiving minute with 60 seconds distance of a run, then yours earth and everything that's in it. Then what will happen is that when you are balanced from inside, the earth will work in your direction, will bring you everything which you want to, and everything will see that it is getting so much well organized and coming to your life. So you don't have to run after money, money comes after you when you are having a stable, calm and composed mind. So this was the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Now we're coming with the question answers. Okay students, now start with the question answers of this exercise. The first one, chapter number part A that you have. So that is all MCQ. So first one will be option number A. Okay, that is stay relaxed when everyone else is scared and confused. Number 2 will be A again. 3 will be B. B is plan and put out your plan into action. You not just have to be planning, but you also have to focus on bringing the plan into action. और उसके लिए आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. तभी आपका सपना, you have to think your thing. Anything will happen only when you work according to that direction. Next is fifth one. Fifth is your B. Okay, sixth is again A. Seventh is C and 8 is A. B again you can see the options are given. E. Second one is C. Third one is F. Fourth one is A. Fifth is D, sixth is B. Now C you have, first one will be C, second one is E, third is D, fourth A and fifth is B. So the options are given and we have already discussed in humongous way. Okay, you can go through the video and watch it again if you feel that anywhere you have doubt in this queries, because these things have been detailed discussed in the video. Now going through a question that is part D, you can see the question D. Yes, select one quality you like very much. I liked because I think that kindness is very much necessary for humanitarian existence. So kindness, to be kind, is my quality that I think is very much necessary a human being must have. So it might be anything. For you it might be honesty. Understood? So you can use or have your own quality. This answer is totally self-reliant, that you can have your own self answers. I have written kindness because I think kindness is more important. So I like to be kind. Kindness is the key which displays humanity. Everyone must be kind and generous to others. Cruelty and arrogance are not human traits. If you are cruel and arrogant, then you are no more less than a animal, because animals might be arrogant at times and they might be cruel, but human beings should not be cruel and arrogant to others. Then you are no more different than a human and than an animal. So I think that it is kindness important. You might have any other answers. Now coming to part E. E is an activity, you can do it. Now A, that is page number 67A. First one is done for you. Similarly, second one you have to do like this is tolerant, tolerant, open-minded, intolerant. Strong-willed, willpower is very much strong, determined, aimless, uncomplaining, who does not complain about each and everything, accepting, fussy, daring, courageous and timid. With this we come to end of this exercise. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. We are coming up with chapter number 9 in the next video. Thank you.